So here we have the Reese bass, and sounds like this. So this is a preset of mine, and it's really simple. Here we have the saw wave with the fundamental cutoff, and the same thing goes for this other oscillator. And so I have some unison here, some other unison for this other one. This oscillator B is turned up by an octave. So this one is giving the grid, and this other one is like giving the detuned sound. I have this MG low filter, and to keep the sound a bit more analog, I have the noise automating, the noise oscillator automating the filter, so you can see how it's like glitching here. And I also have the note moving, so the cutoff moves respecting the played note. And then here's like some distortion, and the post filter is really important. Then some multiband compression, a bit of EQ to cut the muddiness, and then the filter gain, which is making a huge difference. But in my original preset I have the sub enabled just because I want to sketch everything out, but I usually split it, just turn it off and keep the sub here. It's a sine wave like this. We have the random in 0, I mean, usual sub-bass stuff. If you plan to do pitch bends, you have to kind of set these accordingly on both patches. So if you do pitch bends, you might generally want to go to +12 to -12, because +2, -2, it's like a sort of settings that you might want to keep for live performances, because you don't want to go too wild with the pitch wheel. But when producing, you are in full control of what's happening at what time, so you can just draw the pitch bend automation. As for the post-processing, so here I have this tremolo that's going on and off based on the section. So here in this case I have this pumping, in this section. So we have that bounce in the low end.